Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Logitech MX Master 3 for Mac, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable this mouse. To do it, you just need to find the you just need to find this button on the downside part of the mouse, and here you need to drag it up. Then you will see the power source, maybe not the power sources, but you will see the channels here. You choose the channel you want to connect. So if you don't have the opportunity to connect to something, so click and hold to open the pairing mode and find this mouse on the settings, Bluetooth settings of your MacBook laptop, and then you'll find this mouse. And great! And of course, if lamps are not blinking, so maybe you need to charge this mouse. So connect it to the USB-C and charge it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.